Hello friends and welcome to another episode of Mom Makes. I'm your girl Momo. I do DIYs, upcycles and sewing projects. Today I'm wearing this tiara because I just came back from an amazing tea party that my friend threw for the Queen's Jubilee celebration.
You have to have something that's monumental. When you walk out on stage, it has to be monumental.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle, jiggle. It folds. I'd like to see you wiggle, wiggle. For sure. Make me wanna dribble, dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat. You really have to see it.
I made her a beautiful sash and a lovely royal order.
The first royal family order was issued during and after the regency of King George IV in the 1800s, who started the practice of presenting the order to ladies and gentlemen of the court. The badge is suspended from a silk bow and consists of a portrait of the sovereign set in diamonds. Edward VII was red, blue and white. King George IV was rose pink. The royal family orders are worn pinned to the left shoulder at the formal evening occasions, and other orders and decorations are worn.
I ordered her a gold-plated medallion with a queen's crown on it. It was really cute, and I made her this ribbon brooch that she wore to the party so she can keep it as a memory of the Queen's Jubilee and the tea party that she threw for everybody. For myself, I'm using a brooch that I already had, and I made the same pink ribbon bow for myself. I plan on wearing it with a collared shirt. I think it's a great addition to an outfit. If you choose to make it, you can wear it with a collared shirt. It looks amazing. I'm going to show you the process of making the royal order pin. I'll show you some pictures of the tea party. I had a wonderful time. I think my friend is the queen of tea parties, and I had a blast. And of course we gossiped about the queen and the whole drama with Meghan and Harry, so it was quite exciting. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and let's get started.
The materials you will need for this project are a pin or a brooch of your choice. You will need 1.5-inch grosgrain ribbon in pink or yellow or blue, it's your choice. You will need matching thread and a safety pin. Let's get started. This bow has 2 loops. I'm going to start with the upper loop first and just eyeball how wide the loop should be so the pin would look proportionate on top of it. The bottom loop would be slightly larger than the top loop. Again, I'm just going to eyeball it and cut the ribbon as wide as I need. You will need a strip of ribbon long enough to cover the 2 bows and another strip of ribbon to hang below the bows. I'm going to sew the top bow first, then the bottom bow using a matching thread to hold everything nicely. Next, I'm going to sew the lower end of the piece that wraps around the 2 bows. Once that is secured, I will add the hanging ribbon part of the bow on top of the piece I just secured, and I will wrap and finish the top piece over it so it's a clean finish. I will stitch the back all around to make sure everything is nice and neatly finished. To make the pin, I'm using a safety pin, but you can also buy a pre-made brooch pin back. You can easily find them on Amazon or your local craft store. I'm going to have a safety pin to make the pin back. I don't have a store-bought pin back. For this, I cut a piece of ribbon the length of the inside of the safety pin, folded it over, sandwiching the pin inside, and sewed it shut on the sewing machine. I will now sew this onto the back by hand. It's simple as that. And I'm going to tuck the two pieces of the ribbon, two ends of the ribbon inside, and hand stitch over them. You can do all of these steps using a hot glue gun as well and make it a no-sew project. But this is not 5 minutes craft channel, so I'm going to sew it like an actual skilled maker. I also want this pin to be a quality piece that my friend can cherish as a handmade gift that I made with love, so it's important for me to put the effort in. Anyway, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. The pin is ready and I'm going to make the second one for myself, repeating the same process. The brooch that I'm using is a diamante brooch that I already had in my closet, and I'm going to repurpose it. The ribbon sizes that I cut for this brooch was slightly smaller than the other one because I wanted to make them more proportionate to the brooch I was using. And there you have it, both of the ribbon pins are ready. It was a simple project, but it looks really nice. If you like this project, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you liked it. This is Momo signing off. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's some footage from the tea party and my outfit.
If you like this video, I have a feeling that you're going to like this one next. Please do check it out. Bye.